You know, it's strange how the smallest changes in life can end up making the biggest differences, especially after 60. You reach a point where your vision starts to fade. You wake up with dry, irritated eyes. The world looks a little foggier, lights seem harsher, and reading your favorite book becomes a struggle. And if you're like millions of other seniors across the country, you've probably been told by your doctor that it's just part of aging. But what if it doesn't have to be? What if there, as a simple habit you could start tonight's something? As easy as sipping a glass of juice that begins to repair your eyes while you sleep. This isn't a gimmick. These are real, natural juices backed by nutritional science. And thousands of seniors are using them to protect their eyesight, fight cataracts, and even improve their night vision. And in this video, we're going to uncover the 4 most powerful juices you can drink before bed to nourish your eyes from the inside out, starting tonight. Before we dive in, let me introduce you to a woman named Eleanor. She's 74, lives in Idaho, and was almost legally blind last year. Reading bedtime stories to her grandkids had become impossible. She said her eyes felt like sandpaper every morning. But then she started doing one small thing differently. She started drinking a simple juice blend before bed every night. After just 3 weeks, she noticed her eyes felt less dry. She could see the colors of the flowers in her garden again. 6 weeks later, her eye doctor told her the progression of her cataracts had slowed dramatically. Was it a miracle? It was a mix of very specific nutrients, some of which you'll learn about in this video. And let me tell you right now, the most powerful juice, the one that changed Eleanor's life, is the last one I'll share. So stay with me till the end. Let's start with the first juice, and this one might surprise you. It's carrot juice. Now, I know that sounds basic, but the truth is, carrot juice is a powerhouse when it comes to nourishing aging eyes. Rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This bright orange drink helps protect the surface of the eye and improves night vision. What makes drinking it before bed so effective is that your body goes into repair mode at night. That means when you drink carrot juice a couple hours before bedtime, you're feeding your eyes the nutrients they need right as they begin their nightly restoration. One senior, named James, from Kansas, said he drinks a small glass every evening, and within 2 months, he was able to drive at night again without halos blinding him. That's the kind of change we're talking about here, practical, life-changing results. But let's keep going, because juice number 2 takes the benefits even further. This one isn't just good for your eyes, it's also calming, soothing, and helps you sleep better. I'm talking about blueberry juice. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. These powerful compounds help reduce inflammation in the eyes, protect the retina from damage, and may even slow the progression of glaucoma. And when you turn those berries into a juice, preferably a low-sugar, cold-pressed variety, you're giving your eyes a concentrated shot of repair power. Why before bed? Because when oxidative damage from the day can start to reverse, few give your body the right tools. Seniors who drink blueberry juice at night often say their eyes feel refreshed in the morning, like they've had a deep cleaning overnight. One woman, Linda from Ohio, told us that after adding blueberry juice to her nightly routine, she no longer woke up with blurry vision or dry patches in her corneas. It's a small glass with a big impact. Now, if you've been struggling with dry eyes, especially the kind that feels gritty or itchy when you wake up, then juice number 3 is for you. It's cucumber and aloe juice. This might not be something you see every day at the grocery store, but it's gaining attention in the natural health world. Cucumber is 95% water and full of vitamin K, while aloe contains compounds that reduce eye inflammation and promote healing. Together, they create a juice that not only hydrates, but also cools and soothes tired eyes. Drinking this blend before bed is like giving your eyes a spa treatment from the inside. Seniors with dry eye syndrome often report significant relief after just a week or two. Harold, 79, from California, used to wake up rubbing his eyes every morning until he started sipping this juice at bedtime. Now he says his eyes feel moist, his redness is gone, and he can even wear his reading glasses comfortably again. The best part? It's natural, gentle, and easy to make at home. But now, we've arrived at the 4th and final juice. And if you've been paying attention, this is the one you absolutely don't want to miss. Because this juice not only nourishes your eyes, actually helps repair the fragile blood vessels that support vision, especially in seniors with ag-related eye issues like macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. What is it? Tart cherry juice. Yes, Tart cherries. It's not the sweet kind you snack on, but the sour, deeply pigmented ones. They're packed with melatonin, which not only helps you fall asleep, but also enhances your body's ability to heal during deep sleep. More importantly, tart cherries contain powerful anthocyanins and flavonoids that reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to the eyes. And here's the secret. Seniors who drink tart cherry juice at bedtime report waking up with noticeably clearer vision. Not just a feeling, but a visible improvement. One man, Samuel, age 81, said his vision was so blurry from diabetic eye damage. He could barely read the numbers on his glucose monitor. After 3 weeks of nightly tart cherry juice, not only did his sleep improve, he said he could read the paper again without a magnifier. His ophthalmologist called it unexpected improvement. We call it nature's miracle. So, let's recap. Carrot juice feeds your eyes with vitamin A for better night vision. Blueberry juice fights oxidative damage and soothes tired retinas. Cucumber and aloe juice hydrate and cool inflamed eyes from the inside out. And tart cherry juice, the real secret weapon, supports deep sleep, eye vessel repair, and even protects against long-term vision loss. But remember, these juices aren't just magic potions. They work when used consistently, especially when paired with good sleep, a healthy diet, and regular eye checkups. And always talk to your healthcare provider before adding anything new, especially if you're on medications. I know some of you might be thinking, will this really help me? I hear that question all the time, and my answer is always the same. What do you have to lose by trying? These are natural, safe, and nourishing drinks that not only support your vision, but also help you sleep better, feel more energized, and wake up ready to take on the day. Just a few ounces each night. A quiet moment before bed. That's all it takes. And if you've made it this far, you already care about your health. So let this be your next step. Your eyes have served you faithfully for decades. They deserve this chance to heal, to strengthen, and to shine once again. You don't have to accept cloudy mornings and blurry nights. You don't have to give up on the things you love, whether it's reading, sewing, painting, or watching your grandchildren play. Your eyes are still capable of so much more. So tonight, pick one of these juices, whichever one you feel drawn to, and start there. Make it your new bedtime ritual. Give your eyes the love they've been missing. Because even in your 60s, 70s, or 80s, healing is still possible. Vision can improve. And the best sleep of your life might just begin with a single sip. And remember, the best is yet to come.